Hey guys, Leadless Tools here, and I just thought we'd start the video outside the shop today. It is a beautiful day. The snow's melting, as you can see. Here's the quad. You can see we're clear outside the shop, and it's just a beautiful thing. The snow's melting, sky is blue, gorgeous day, and you get to see what the shop's like when you're coming on in. So there's the shop. Little lizard up there hanging out. And yeah, that's the shop. You can see it's not as spick and span as it looks in all the pictures, but that's how a shop is, right? Just gotta keep tidy and organizing. Never ends, right? And I don't think I ever showed this. This is what I'm using to hold the camera. So there's that. And let's get right into today's video. So, set the phone in there. Perfect. This isn't part of the video. I just received another tool, snap-on warranty. Look at this, gorgeous. This is part of their low-profile socket set. It's 11mm ratcheting wrench that fits their low-profile sockets. Almost like a pass-through style, but I don't think they're pass-through. There's that guy, and that doesn't go there either. Okay, guys. Well, what this video is this is my Gearwrench warranty experience. So, let's take a look here. This is my grandpa's. This is a KD US of A ratchet. I believe these were sold at Napa back in the day. Still works good. It's got a nice knurled handle. See he was used as a hammer a few times, whatnot. The problem with this guy is, though, I don't know if you can see the ball detent there. We'll grab a socket. So look at that. If I wiggle this down, it catches slightly, but it just doesn't work. And there's no real rebuilding of a ball detent system in a quick release, at least easily. So, if you guys don't know, KD was bought out by the Apex Group, and Apex Group is Gearwrench. Now, I could probably have, pardon me, contacted Crescent or something, but Gearwrench is the closest to what this would have been, and I'll just let you know. So, I contacted Gearwrench customer service through their email that I found on their website. I messaged them up. I told them this is what I have. I sent the pictures. I said the ball detent's no longer working. It's a 1/2" drive quick release ratchet. Is there anything you could do for warranty for me? Also, we got the door open. A nice light coming in. If you can hear that, there's horns and stuff. Live in a small town just outside Edmonton, Alberta, and this is one of those days where it's like it's good to be alive, you know? It's just the sun shining, spring's coming. It's beautiful. I can hear the birds out there. So we're getting off track. But I let them know what I had, and they got back to me within a couple days, and they said, hey, we've processed a warranty for you. It's back ordered till about the middle of March. And I just said, thank you. And well, middle of March, yesterday, this guy came in. This is the Gearwrench 81309 1/2" drive quick release ratchet. And we need a cutter. I have one handy over in this box. Also, Doc from Last Best Tool recently picked up a pair of these. And you know, I think he is right. They do work as a flush cut, but they're not perfectly flush. You know what, we can just do a quick test. There's videos all over the place, but we're all learning something, right? Having a good time. So, here. So you can see how these are. They've been used. They've actually only been used on plastic, but they're still a little bit marred there. Let's see, we'll get close. They are flush. For me. I know if you just quickly come in and snip, sometimes, or if you come in on a little bit of an angle, you can get you see that, a hair up there, that'll catch you, but as long as you come in straight, they work just fine. So I'm not sure if Doc's is just a defect or what's up, but these have been great for me. These are one of my favorite cutters. So, anyway, here is the ratchet, again, the 81309, Gearwrench branded on there. Wipe that off. As you can see, this is not a 90 tooth, an 84 tooth, or a 120 XP. have a listen here. I'm going to say 36 to 40 teeth. Not 100% sure. Limited lifetime, or lifetime warranty, guarantee. It's made in Taiwan, Apex Tool Group. That's funny. Lufkin Road, North Carolina, I think. Yeah. Here's this guy, and do a socket test. Same socket. That's solid. And we'll just do a quick test. Let's grab an impact, and let's just see if how the ball is lined up. Perfect. No issues there. Very nice. So Gearwrench really came through for me. I'm sure a lot of people have said that they, in Canada that they had a problem with Gearwrench warranty. I know Gearwrench is expanding more and more and more into Canada. You can find it more and more places, and I think that now that they're building their brand in Canada, that they're much easier to warranty in Canada. Pardon me, guys. So yeah, that is my experience with Gearwrench warranty. Hassle-free, no problem. When I sent them telling them about this, I did send them my mailing address as well. And yeah, I will say, if you guys are warranting tools out, I usually, for most things I order, I use a P.O. box, but for most of the tool companies, they want a physical address. So do with that as you may. You see, I believe we have what you call a batwing pawl in there. See, it's moving. Definitely a nice ratchet, though. How's the back drag? So if we do a tooth, come back. Very low back drag, considering it's not a high tooth ratchet. Well, just for fun, I'll do a comparison here. Here's the closest thing I have, my grandpa's old Craftsman. This is a bit coarser. Very similar, though. How's its back drag? More back drag for sure. Probably about double, actually. It's still not bad, though, considering the vintage of this. Let's see, VV Craftsman. So, guys, that is my Gearwrench warranty experience. I hope it helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, comments, opinions, anything, leave them in the comments below. In the description below will be my Instagram. You can check me out there. And yeah, guys, that's about it. We'll peek up here. Can you guys see that over there? Video on that guy coming soon. Alright, guys, with that said, thanks for watching. Take it easy.